Champ Auto checking in, man. It's Champ. Just wanted to update y'all. I'm finna get ready to go down here and pick up my new vehicle I just purchased last week. Nice car, American Muscle, collectible. I'm excited about it. I like it. I think everybody that know I'm getting it excited. I can't wait to show y'all, man. Stay tuned. Oh, he's saying the door locked. The key's in it, but the door ain't opening?
Yeah, you gotta keep going.
A little something, so how you feeling, buddy? Look, nah, we'll definitely shout you out.
Yeah.
Damn, I ain't even know. I need one on this side too. Shit. You ain't get to jump up there, huh? You ain't get to jump up there yet?
Yeah, I already been up there.
And it's locked?
Yeah, it's locked.
Oh my God.
I'm saying, I don't know if it's locked or not, but I tried to do the door handle, but I don't think it's going on.
So they delivered the car, but they did not. They left the keys in the car. The battery did, so this motherfucker won't turn over. Push. Push.
Might have to put it back on the red.
Subscribers that are going to be subscribing after watching this video. That is, make sure you click on the notification.
Better, right there? That is better.
That's right next to the subscribe button, because unless you click on that,
Oh, they feel
you're going to be notified.
but they had a better.
Videos that are going to be coming out.
It's definitely in the trunk. That's
So you get it, you're
it should be a ground on the positive, right?
and nothing. Alright, so if that's the case, you need to figure out whether there's a problem with your battery. Maybe it's your starter.
8.4 liter.
Hey man, we back with another one, man.
Yeah.
Goddamn 2013 Viper.
That's good. Just a good ground. I don't know which one is a good ground, but
I did say that. I said the red. That
yeah, that's the red right there.
I'll wait though.
finally got it cranked up. How hold this peso? Pop trying to V10 more. Just come straight though. How you feel?
That bitch sound nasty, boy. That bitch can be, boy. That bitch can.
Yeah. You good? Just come. Yeah, let me check the other side. The other side is right on it, so you ain't even gotta go hard. It's on top of it. Give it a little push. Oh shit. Leave it on. I say leave it on. We was gonna drop it onto the trailer. You wanna do that or what? Let's try. I'll try. Look, I'll trust you.
Yeah, we good. We good. Come on. All right, now stop right there.
Hold on.
All right. Down now first. All right, you good now? Go that way, son. Go that way, son.
Yeah.
All right, stop.
It's already. That's already fucked up. It is what it is.
Go ahead. As long as we got the wood right here, you good.
Keep going straight.
Good, go ahead. You good. You good.
Yeah.
Let me hit it, Pop. God damn. Hold on, close. Yes,
Now I gotta go sit on my shit. I'm recording if I'm about to go sit on.
You let it be run so the back. Hey, I'll say pull up some Pop. I'm gonna get the kid back up.
Yeah, just pull around, yeah. Yeah, I got you.
Don't hit it one time, pop.
See how the door swung open?
Yeah.
Damn. Damn, that bit hard.
Yeah, when he get that bit fixed up. Oh yeah. He about to get the word.
Ain't let this shit defeat up, boy.
Nah, for sure.
You had to fix something out, brother.
For sure.
That's real. I get it wrong. You say you gonna work.
Yeah. I do have that shit lined up.
Alright, start right up. Start right up.
Mine is good. Mine good.
Good. Now you gotta get a little gas on this. Oh yeah, come on. Everybody finna be looking at this here, boy. Hell yeah. That be a little even hard on this train.
Right? And it's perfect for the foot.
How the clutch feel?
Then the other thing,
Hopefully we can solve
these
this.
hinge don't even look bad.
Huh?
That don't even look bad.
Nah.
It might be.
All thing you gotta do is play this little defender.
This thing here, that's already on the
The
way.
hood and the front fender.
Oh, this metal?
The suspension don't even look damaged.
Oh, okay.
And the tire might be good, it's the real.
Nah, the tire gone, bro. Yeah, that shit gone.
But
Shot.
it don't look.
Once you
It
take
don't
this
look
off,
like.
once you take this off, that's
Well, once we strip it all down, we're gonna do the thick that ditty with it.
Right.
You gotta get a windshield.
Hey, we about to get her a BBL for real.
You gotta get a windshield.
yeah.
I mean, but
That ain't
that's
gotta be right now, but yeah, eventually when it's done up, I'm gonna want it. And right now I need a tire. I'm gonna get another tire, so we ain't doing that no more. And then, you know,
well. Once we get it to the house, you gonna put it on jack stands anyway.
yeah.
See, you got time for a tire because she gotta go up on jack stands.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Get her ripped down.
Sounds like he determined to be in the car, so Nick, yeah.
Did you ever find this piece?
Yeah, I'm working with it now.
Where's the store at?
Hey, that boy, see Wade calling. You heard him? See Wade calling.
That's cool. Let me see.
Just let it go. Oh, yeah.
Finally got it back to the house, y'all. We looking good. As y'all can see, this is where most of the damage was and came from. I don't know if he got side swiped or what happened, but most of the damage is right here. Stay tuned. In another video, I'm gonna show y'all us breaking it down, piecing it up. But for now, I'm gonna just go around and give y'all a 360. This was no problem. This happened with the transporter and the trailer, where they had the car positioned and stuff. But we're gonna get that fixed. We're gonna replace that. It's Blue. What's up, man? Good boy. It's my boy Blue right there. This side is pretty good. It did have a dent right here I wasn't familiar with. We're gonna fix most of this here ourselves. That quarter panel got pulled back a little bit, but like I said, this side is literally flawless, no issues. The hood, I'm mad, but the hood's gonna have to be replaced. It's literally missing a half right here, so, and the hood makes the fender, so no hood, no fender. Obviously gotta fix that, man. Y'all stay tuned, I got y'all.